Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Mantis Gearhead, a knife with an innovative new opening system from Grant and Gavin Hawk, and you can find it here at KnifeCenter.com. Let's check it out. Grant and Gavin Hawk are a father-son team that like to think outside the box, and we've rarely seen anything from them that doesn't push the envelope in some way. There have been a lot of things over the years, including their mud knives and collaborations like the Buck Marksman and the Kershaw ET. But today, we're going to be taking a look at the Gearhead. This knife was designed to turn heads with a gear-driven pivot system. The gear set here multiplies your motions, allowing just a short press of this lever to fully open the blade. Now, they've said themselves that this is more of a style piece than anything else, but it's still very satisfying to use, especially after a short break-in period. These US assembled knives are available with two different blade shapes, both a drop point with hollow grinds and a swedge, as well as a tanto with flat grinds. Each of these two blades is available either in a blackened stonewash or a satin finish, as well as a combo partially serrated edge or a fully plain edge blade. Each of those blades is just under 3.5 inches, and we get some nice details here, including a chamfered spine, which increases the comfort in use. Speaking of actual usability, thanks to the concentration of weight here in the pivot, the knife actually is fairly well balanced, allowing you to use it very adeptly. We've also got a liner lock here, keeping the blade very secure while you're using it. There's also two different handle options available for this series of knives, and they're made from aluminum with a steel backspacer. You can get it in this very nice brushed finish, as well as this gray anodized version with black hardware accents. A nice big lanyard loop incorporated into the liners here makes it easy to attach an accessory if you want, and we've also got a nice pocket clip for right side tip-up carry. The split aluminum design here on the back makes sure it looks just as good as the front side. This knife is definitely a conversation starter, especially when you go slow with that blade action and you really get to see those gears at work. As you can see, the Gearhead certainly maintains the reputation of the Hawks for coming up with new ideas. If you like what you've seen here and want to get your hands on one, make sure to click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.